Going through the woods to catch catfish. Am I good? Right, we're fishing the flooded timbers of the Ohio River, March 3rd, 2018. First check, and we have a fish. Hang on, hang on. How about that? Now we're looking for beaver. I think I can know where a couple beaver are. See, now you guys are getting attached to them, and I'm going to try trapping them.
You're not getting attached.
All right, behind me is the bridge. Normally there should be about a 30-foot gap from the bottom of the bridge to the water, but as you can see, we got about 2 foot. My wife's putting on a night crawler. I think I better get down, is what I'm guessing. Put your hand right here, Lottie. Watch this.
No, I see it. Okay.